Okay, so the last part of this lesson is computing the simultaneous capacity outages. So we have computed LOLE A, we have computed LOLE B. Now what you have to compute is LOLE AB. Okay. The various simultaneous capacity outage probabilities in the two systems can be calculated from the individual system tables. It results in a two-dimensional array. Which is the overall interconnected system capacity outage probability table with ideal interconnection. That means whatever it says, it provides. 10 megawatt it says, it provides 10 megawatt. Each array cell in the table has two numbers which represent the existence probability of a particular simultaneous capacity outage condition. Okay. The load loss of megawatt in system A considering the emergency assistance for system B for the time and cost. You need to write this down. So write this down so that you can understand the table when I say. Just write this line. Okay. Write this line. Okay. So now we will see the table from the book. So this is the directly from the book. Okay. So we'll try to find out the system A, and here is a two-dimensional array as we have discussed. System A and B. Now, what is the capacity outage probability for zero outage from system A? You have calculated that. You have written there. Zero outage in system A. What is the probability? Zero outage probability. You have calculated the first one.
0.8 system B.
For system A.
For system A is 0.88.
Was written 0.88 58 or something. And for system B, first
0.0207.
0.0207 multiply both. Are you getting this? No. Okay, we'll see again.
Sir, effort also. Say the 0.0 fashion. Okay, 0.018.
Okay. We will go to the Excel sheet. So here, for system A, zero capacity outage is 0.88584238. Okay, 0.88584238. Right? And for system B, it is write down these two numbers 0.8858 and 0.90. These two numbers write down. It is pura dekho. This one 0.88584238. And here it is 0.90392080.
सर एक्चुअली में हमें करना से 20 मेगावाट वाला मतलब ये सितारा वैल्यू टाइम को से हमें जीरो वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना
हां ठीक है 0.90392080. Okay, now multiply these two, this one and this one. Multiply this 0.88584238 and 0.90392080.
0.8006.
Okay, so that is, isn't it? 0.800731. So what it means? What is the meaning of this? The meaning is that in this case, no capacity outage in system A, no capacity outage in system B. Zero capacity outage. And the probability is this. And the assistance needed is 0. Assistance needed is 0. Similarly, 10 megawatt outage in system A, 0 megawatt in system outage in system B. Okay, 0 megawatt you have already written. What is the number? 0.90 something you have written now. 0.90. So we'll see 10 megawatt probability. Okay, What is 10 megawatt probability? 0.09039208. Write down. Mention this. 0.09039208. And multiply that with 9039. Multiply that with 9039. This with this. Because we are considering 0 megawatt outage in system B, but 10 megawatt outage in system A. How much is that? If you multiply this with this,
0.081.
let's see. Is it 0.0817? So it will continue like that. So you multiply the probabilities in the corresponding COT of A and B to find out load capacity array for both simultaneous outages. Now, where the problem arises? The problem arises somewhere here. We discussed that 25 megawatt outage, right? If there is a 25 megawatt outage in system A, somewhere here, okay, then there is a loss of load. But in that situation, if there is no outage in system B, okay, then we can get assistance from system B. Okay, so there is no loss of load. Okay, there is no loss of load. But if you see here, if there is a 40 megawatt outage, if load was 75, capacity was 75, and there is a 40 megawatt outage. So what is the available capacity? 35 megawatt. What is the load?
50.
Load is 50 megawatt. How much you can get maximum from through the tie line? 10. So requirement was 50 megawatt. Requirement was 50 megawatt, but you can get only 10 from the second. Therefore, loss of load is 5. Okay. So this is the loss of load and the corresponding probability. Loss of load and the corresponding probability in the simultaneous outage table. Now the same thing, if you want further calculation, this is calculated in the Excel sheet. However, this last parts are somehow not matching with the books part. Maybe you can check it. So go to the Excel sheet and see here. Okay. So this is how it is calculated. So one of your seniors has done this. So you see system A, system B, and the computation. How it is computed, you can get from here. But somehow this last parts are not matching. You can cross check. Okay. So with this, we complete module 2. So module 2 is over here. Next class onwards we start on module 3.